kwakuyi-responsibility yabantu besifazane ukweshela umuntu wesilisa. Yebo.
Hayibo.
I'm telling you, Mageza, kwakuyi-responsibility.
Welcome to another heartfelt episode of In Conversation with Portia, the African Echo. Today we invite you to a deeply personal exploration of customary marriage in South Africa. This is a tradition that resonates with many people. It is rooted in many shared history and culture. As we are commemorating the 30 years of democracy in South Africa, we take a moment and reflect on how the legal frameworks that are surrounding the unions have changed and what it signifies to those who navigate them. We will be hearing from the traditionalist Mr. Ndabe Mieza, who will share the rich cultural insights of polygamy and the meaningful practices that are defining this traditional marriage. Alongside him is the legal expert Mr. Caiphus Mahumani, who will help us understand the evolving legislation that is aimed at protecting the rights of spouses, especially women. We are joined by the renowned traditionalist, Mr. Ndabe Mieza. Mr. Mieza, thank you so much for your time. Asibheke le ndaba. Ekhathini zasemandulo, sivela phi isithembu mhlambe mungasithi qaphu Mr. Mieza?
Okay, I guess etymology, the origins of Zulu words and other languages and the cultural alignment to the words and the language spoken. Igama isithembu later study, mhlambe igama eli-190 years old. Liqhamuka from behavior enziwa abantu bakamvelase ababeshada nabafelokazi emva kwezimpi zezigodi zikaMadlantulu kulwa uMphemba nezinye izizwe. Kwase kuba nabafelwakazi abaningi. What then happened? Bathe besuka babeshada abantu bakamvelase ngoba uMvelase wayengekho part of that skirmish. Base beshada nabafelwakazi. Then ukushada kwabo nabafelokazi wasechacha lo umkhuba wabathimbu.
Kokwenziwa kanjani ukuze kufike esigabeni sokuthi ke kuyagananwa nokuganiselana ngendlela ye-polygamy isithembu?
Kanti yini le eyenziwa okhokho bethu ukuthatha amakhosikazi amaningi na? Okhokho bethu isizwe sabantu abansundu, the Bantus, were matrilineal, not patriarchal. It's only the biblical theory that introduced patriarchy. Otherwise, umuthatha African way of living. Thina sasi matrilineal. Umuntu wesifazane who was the inventor, the creator, and the author of a life. Igama ukusikwa, for instance, isiko culture liqhamuka from ukusikwa kukamama, birth, the first travail pain before birth. Then you get ukusika kukhandani isiko. Isiko laqalwa abantu besimame as part of nation building.
So, Ms. Komberisha, how was the situation in the older times?
Kwakwenziwa njani na? Kade kwakunezindawo zokukhulisa abantu kwakuthiwa ama-houses of life. So wawukhula kufundiswe impilo, amasiko, ukuzithanda nangobuwena. Uthi uma usuqedile i-school of life bese udedelwa emphakathini usuyophila into oyifundiswe ku-school of life. Uma usufika in life ungumfana kade uphuma ku-school of life usuhlobe nge-staff and rod, kusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi usukhulile.
What about the girl child? What happens there?
Namantombazane ngokunjalo. So kwakuyi-responsibility yabantu besifazane ukweshela umuntu wesilisa. Yebo.
Hayibo.
I'm telling you, Mageza, kwakuyi-responsibility yomuntu. Ngani na? A woman could only marry a man who is spiritually intelligent, well-groomed, no schooled in the laws of Ma'at. So akasibheke igama ukweshela liqhamuke ebizweni intshisekelo. So kuthini na umuntu wesimame unentshisekelo yokwakha nokuthanda. Therefore uyena oyahambe ayokweshela umuntu wesilisa afuna ukuthi aphile naye. Lokhu Mageza kokuthi kube umuntu wesilisa oshelayo is a very serious addition eyenzeke ngesikhathi sesigubuzelwe i-Greco-Roman rot. Because bona they are patriarchal, whereas thina sasimatrilineal. Now, kwakubizwa ngokuthini lokuthi uzofika ngiganwe intombi bese iyongeshelela ama-sister queens azogana mina kwakuthiwa umntwana. What does umntwana mean? It means divine union.
Kanti Mr. Miyeza, ubani obeshela, owesilisa obeshela noma owesifazane obeshela?
Yeah. Wena Mageza nangu Baba Miyeza unkosikazi oqala, the moment you ascend usuba imatriarch usuzophuma uyokweshela ama-sister queens Dada Malkia abazobuya bazogana mina. Kodwa kushiya ukuthi amakhosikazi kaMiyeza kuthiwa amakhosikazi okaMageza, amakhosikazi okaMageza.
Yes, I would marry into polygamy. For me, it's the most realistic setup kind of a marriage. It is what I understand better than many other relationship structures. So for me, out of not being selfish, I would rather he marries another person. Also, out of my reasons of being selfish with myself, I would also want him to marry another person so that I can be relieved of other duties.
Kwasekonakalaphi Mr. Miyeza
When we were taken over by Alexander the Murderer, umbulali noSathane egubuzela iAfrika.
Kwasekonakalaphi Mr. Miyeza
When we were taken over by Alexander the Murderer, umbulali noSathane egubuzela iAfrika. Wa-introduce thina i-Greco-Roman system, not culture, system of doing things. And kwasekuthi abaphatha ama-custodian olwazi lethu esingathi abapristi bavuma i-suggestion yakhe ukuthi akavume ukuthi obaba bethu bashade namantombazana amaRoma namaGreki, which created what you are seeing today in Kemet or Egypt, Nabo Sudan. Kwaba agreement, and by the way, Mageza, that is recorded down in his drive the thing in my slogan. So isithembu, what is God's purpose for isithembu? God's purpose for isithembu is to build a healthy nation without offense. Is to ensure that every woman on a sisu of Ghana belongs somewhere. Ever since time immemorial, they are 70 more in population than Amadoda, which are over 145. Because izimpi ezweni for the past 600,000 years, which 90% used to leave women, so umntala came from there.
Now, where did this notion of one wife come from, Gandhi?
That is European mindset. It's not even Christianity, because Christianity is pro-polygamy. What is the evil intention of single household, one woman, one wife, one woman? It's for population control and destroying the fabric of civilization yomuntu omnyama. Ngendlela abantu besimame Mageza ababethandana ngayo abantu besifazane, not the postmodern woman who is really suffering with the trauma, the historical trauma. The ancient black woman was so kind and loving to her own sister. They call it other queen sisters. Oh, my queen sister, my princess sister. In African language, we call that Dada Malkia. So, ukuba namakhosikazi amaningi which
impilo eyithinta amandiya, amajuda, indlela abaqhuba ngayo isithembu nemishado yabo ehleliwe, which ama-arranged marriages. Ungabe iyona eyenza ukuthi lesi zizwe zisimame ngalendlela?
Ngamakazi.
Yebo sir.
Angithi amandiya asebenzisa i-arranged marriage system.
Yeah.
Amajuda asebenzisa arranged marriage system. I-South and the Northern Pacific or Iran yonke yandawa strictly arranged marriages. And are those countries not thriving? Thank you.
Khalezweni esitholile sihambela kuma community engagement workshops ifundazweni ihlu. Kuvele kakhulu ukuthi omama bakhala kakhulu ngokuthi abazi kahle kahle ngamalungelo abo kumshado yesintu, kakhulukazi ukukhuluma ngayo le imshado yesithembu.
When you create a nation, you need to school people about behavior modification, cultural knowledge, and self-knowledge. Awukwazi ukuthi unga-installa into critical njengesithembu without teaching people. Wekamageza, ngicela ukubuza, is monogamy working for human beings? Why is in South Africa 52% divorce rate? 52% since 2000. Monogamy is unhealthy. Iyona they promote infidelity and cheating. I-population scale ukuthi iyohamba amadoda abephansi. Sithi iBhayibheli verses 4-6 isikhathi la siyocela amadoda ukuthi nje ngicela umngane ukuze ngikwazi ukuguqula isibongo sami. Kusho iBhayibheli akusho mina. Ngisobe singasenandaba ukuthi silizwe nje ngaphansi kwesibongo sakho. These were women appealing.
Istory se-TV ukwakhala enyonyeni back in the day. Kukhona besifazana bomama beshadele ndawonye kumnumzana uMandla Nduna bebehlale bexabana ngaso sonke isikhathi. Kuzokwenzeka kanjani ukuthi silapheke lesimo moving forward?
I'll tell you something shocking with Amageza. Women love this table. It's just that they are not informed with how it's going to go about.
In modern days, I would say, because in the social media and the evolving lives of digital space, ladies, women, and more, bathi bayasincamela isithembu nokwazi ukuthi ubaba ukuphi ngalesi sikhathi unobani.
Yeah. Amantombazane basithanda kabi isithembu. Kumnandi ukuba no-sister queen, somebody that you can share your aspiration, nixoxe nomnawenu, nidiscuss ukuthi nizoparenta kanjani. Now, into engiyibone ku-social media, which is a very negative projection of the polygamy. Baye baveze abantu abanama-mental health issues abazama ukuthatha isithembu. Serious. Ngamageza, akeke ku-ancient Africa.
Yes.
Uma unkosikazi ethathela isithembu, wayeye alande umuntu ozoba ne-contribution kwi-family dynasty, e.g. uzokulandela i-astronomer. Why did we need astronomers? Sizotshala kanjani, i-calendar of the family izohamba kanjani, the understanding of stars, the understanding of cosmos and galaxies. Remember, African gender relationships are informed by cosmology, not by patriarchy. Emva kwalokho akulandele i-physician owesifazane ofundiswa ukusebenzisa amakhambi nokwelapha ekhaya. But the last two women were very critical, a mathematician and a priestly woman. I-mathematician izofundisa iy'ngane ngokuphila using numbers and scales and calculation. Ngoba e-Africa abantu besifazane abaningi babe-raiswa ama-families in the houses lapho bafunda khona i-mathematics. So zonke iy'ngane eziwu-11 zalekhaya ntambama zifundiswa umama omncane eyifundisa i-mathematics, which was applicable to the lifestyle of black people then. Mathematics. Matter meaning the ways of the black people. So the word mathematics, it means the ways of the black people. So isithembu sasicritical. Omunye umama ubaba bakhelela yona idwala yini umbelethisi. So every woman did not marry for beauty, they married for their skills and education qualifications.
So there had to be something that you bring in the table as well.
It's something I said in the bringing in the table because it's a very pathological terminology. You married to build a dynasty with your skill.
As we wrap up this poignant conversation, we are muchly reminded of the complexities that are surrounding the customary marriages and their rights in our society. It is a journey that raises important questions, such as are we truly honoring our traditions while ensuring legal protection for all? Thank you so much for being with us today on the In Conversation with Portia, the African Echo. Let's continue this essential conversation by supporting one another in navigating the tradition and modernity. Until we meet again, my name is Portia. Goodbye.